Hi, Mingalava. Hi. I'm gonna show you how to make the soup. I got the previous video how to what is ingredient and how to bake it, and then so now after I bake it, after an hour later, all the chicken I've been baking, I bake it. That chicken I just shredded up. You see that from those big piece of chicken, I shredded up. So after I shred it, I put it back. All the juice came out from, chicken and all the vegetable and herbs. And that juice, I put it back in this pot. And then also after I shred it, all the chicken bones is still remaining. I put the chicken bones back in. So vegetable, you put it back. Chicken bones and all the vegetable juice, you get it from the bake. And then I add a 6 cup of water, okay? So this is what is remaining, 6 cup of water with all the bones and the juice from the bake it, all the vegetable. And then the chicken I shredded after I roasted. So this, and then all the vegetable here. So I'm gonna put it all back into the pot, okay? Be careful when you put it back, you can just slide it back in, or don't. Make sure you don't get splashed. It will get splashed, when you aggressively put it back in, okay? So I just slide it back in, everything. So, all right, this is how you will see it. And then now I'm gonna add the chicken stock, okay? So the chicken stock I'm using is called College Inn, this is the culinary stock. So I believe this is from the, cooking school. So they'll be really good, really, Now I've been using this quite a lot. So if you watch my other videos, you will see that I put the chicken stock in almost everything, All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add all the chicken stock, okay, look at this beautiful, 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 amazing. Check this out. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat it. Check that out. How beautiful is this? This is always, all the chicken back and all the, juice back in. I haven't even used the chicken stock. And then plus shredded chicken, okay? And the vegetable. So I'm gonna add all the chicken stock. Before you use chicken, put it in, you make sure you shook it out. Okay, shake it, the whole bottle, so all the, the paste, whatever is sitting in the bar, so it will came together, That's what all the best stuff is, okay? All right, so I hope you will see this. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh, look at all the, and then I put it back bones in, so all the, you will get more stuff, more marrow, everything's to be, boil it up. Check that out. Isn't it beautiful? Shredded chicken and carrots, celeries, all that. You see that using a little bit of skin and a little bit of fat is bringing nice colorful. You see that? Really, really nice color. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. And then look at these. Look at these. And oh my God, check this out, man. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. And like I said, it's the best weather. So, Okay, so that we me, when I don't get Jetao, the night, Bianchi had a Jetao with me, Hua like Pare, Hua beer me. I just don't want to be a chima, when I get out of Pare. Colare a zero, me or a piantabiro, a joke piantabiro. I no had a chat die, no biro, or the yedo me piantabare, piantabiro, me ye chaquatare. Although the dually, I the Jayura man, literally banning naturally. So a saban letters on me, chaquatare, bit of Jayura Budon, piantabiro, down me children. So I did like bad American style roasted chicken soup, no? So this is how we make an American style roasted chicken soup. It's a perfect for the chilly weather. See that? I can't wait to eat it. So that me piano that you my way, bong to be in that bong and me being me chama. No bong and me being biva say. All my teach me I tomorrow, no be a likely me a video channel ကြည့်ရှုပေးကြတဲ့အတွက်လည်းအားလုံးကိုကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ထို့အတူပဲ like တကယ်ကြိုက်နေတဲ့တဲ့ဆိုရင် like and share လေး subscribe လေးလုပ်ပြီးမေးကြပါနဲ့ follow လေးလည်းလုပ်ပြီးမေးကြပါနဲ့တိုက်ခံပါတယ်ရှင် thank you very much if you like my channel please like subscribe and follow okay thank you you have a wonderful night thank you very much